Welcome the our channel. Today we how to budget with Snapchat, complete guide step by step clearly. Open the Snapchat app on your device. Swipe down to access your profile. Tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to enter settings. Scroll down to find the Snapchat support option. Select Snapchat support to open the help section. In the search bar, type budgeting tools and hit enter. Browse through the articles related to budgeting. Identify tools or features that may assist in budgeting. Return to your profile and go to the Snap Map. Utilize the Snap Map to track local deals or offers. Join relevant Snapchat groups focused on budgeting and finance. Engage with community stories that share budgeting tips. Create a story about your budgeting goals and progress. Use stickers and lenses to make your budget tracking fun and engaging. Regularly update your story to maintain accountability. Capture screenshots of helpful budgeting content you find. Save these screenshots in a dedicated folder on your device. Utilize direct messaging to ask friends for budgeting advice. Explore Snapchat's Discover section for financial tips and news. Save articles that resonate with your budgeting plans. Reflect on your spending habits through Snapchat memories. Share your budgeting journey to inspire others in your network. Use these interactions to refine your own budgeting strategies. Establish a routine to check in on your financial goals regularly. Celebrate small victories in your budgeting efforts with fun snaps. Utilize Snapchat filters to create a visual representation of your goals. Regularly adjust your budget based on feedback and observations. End your budgeting journey with a positive mindset and commitment to improvement. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.